Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a refund from Finelo step by step. The process depends on how you purchased your subscription. If you bought your plan directly from the Finelo website or activated a free trial there, you'll need to contact their support team. Simply send an email to support@finelo.com or submit a request through their support center. Make sure to clearly explain why you're requesting a refund, because all requests are reviewed case by case based on their policy. Now, if you first subscribed on the website and later downloaded the app, don't worry, your subscription is still considered website based. So, you'll follow the same process by emailing support with your details. If you subscribe through Google Play, you'll need to email support as well, but this time include your order ID, which looks something like GPA followed by numbers. This helps them track your purchase faster. And if you subscribed using the Apple App Store, just go to Apple Support, choose Purchases and Refunds, then request a refund and follow the steps. Usually you'll get an update within 24 to 48 hours. And that's it. That's how you can request a refund from Finelo easily.